Ramos for WFGP with you again for more of our exclusive series on the innovative technologies offered by ASC Engineered Solutions. I'm here with David, a foreman from City Contractors, who continues to help us understand some of the benefits he and his mechanical teams have experienced using these products. Hi, David.
Hey, Luis. Nice to see you again.
Talking to your team, one thing I've learned is that every step in the process counts. No one wants to waste time.
Absolutely. With grooved pipe, it's all about the quality of the joint and the labor savings. You must believe in the products you use. Like here. See, he's checking the pipe ends to make sure the pipe grooves are correct and that the ends are clean. No sharp edges or burrs that can damage the gasket.
David, what are we looking at here?
The figure 74-CL is a rigid coupling, so it creates a solid joint. This is the gasket inside the coupling that seals the joint from the inside. It has this very important center rib that lets you know the coupling is pushed on the pipe end far enough. And with this figure 74-CL coupling, you just feel it right into place.
You just know it's right.
Exactly. You just know it right away.
Sounds like saving time is really important.
Clock's always running. Now he brings in the other pipe and lines it up, and that one's pushed against the other side of the center gasket edge, and that's it.
Looks like he's almost done.
Yeah, this is so important. You never want to feel like you're forcing the bolt down. I've installed a bunch of these new figure 74-CL couplings, and it's so smooth and fast. You just tighten the first bolt part way, then the second bolt all the way, and you finish up the first bolt, and it's done. We've heard some competitive couplings say that you can take the first bolt down all the way right away, but it's slower to do it that way. So we recommend the old 1, 2, 3 approach. In the old days, you had to really drive it down, and there wasn't a clear or easy way to know when it was done. People say pad to pad. It wasn't that simple because you had to check for positive offset. You never really knew how much was enough, and if you went too far on one side, you could break a bolt on the other side. With Sabertooth and ASC's pad gap coupling design, you get the rigidity and the pipe alignment. Plus, with this one, the hardware has standard EcoGuard protective coating to keep it from corroding.
I'm sure that's a relief on your shoulder doing this all day.
This is my favorite part about the design. I can install these in the dark. Sometimes you can't always see it from both sides to make sure it fits properly. With the figure 74-CL, it has the new easy to see and feel indicator. You literally just run your finger over it and you know done is done. ASC innovations are focused on value to the contractor, not just for the sake of being different.
Now I know why it's called Sabertooth technology. Sounds like this new figure 74-CL from ASC checks all the boxes for you and your crew.
It does. Our fitter teams have switched to the Gruvlok figure 74-CL with Sabertooth technology and center lock gaskets.
Thanks for your time, David. We'll talk again soon.